consistently Audi. That means progress and transformation. Our use cases give an outlook into the next decade. Visionary cars, engineered for you. Fully demand-oriented. This is Audi, radically reimagined. The best example? Audi Aicon and Amy. The first, a fully automated luxury sedan for long distances. The second, a level 4 city car, consistently adapted to urban needs. High-performance sports car with electric drive, the Audi iRace. Consistently Audi Sport. Pure emotions, no emissions. Inspiration drawn from racing. Now, from the racetrack to unpaved roads, the Audi iTrail. Zero emissions off the beaten track. More tool than toy. With level 4 autonomous driving for a new kind of Quattro experience.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Design is more than only a shape. It's about an attitude. And this is part of a bigger story. It's about people. It's about their dreams and their needs. And that's why we at Audi Design put the people into the center of our design development. And we understand their needs and their dreams. And we analyze use cases. Each of these 4 show cars here has been designed for one specific use case. 2 years ago, present the Audi Aicon over there, a car which has been designed without any compromise for the use case long-distance traveling. A few months later, we present the Audi iRace, the opposite, a car which is designed for the use case fun to drive, maybe on a racetrack on curvy roads. This springtime, we present the Audi AMI in Shanghai, designed without any compromise for the use case urban mobility. And the Audi iTrail has been designed as well without any compromise for the use case off tracks. That's the reason why the car looks completely different than any other SUV. It's an off-road experience vehicle. And I'd like to explain you the details behind this car. First of all, it's a car with a monobox volume. A monobox volume offers a huge interior space. The car is, of course, based on a battery electric platform. And the footprint is that much shorter than our latest Audi Q3. And I'd like to share with you one of my favorite details on the exterior is this line. And there are many reasons for this line. First reason is it creates a very expressive exterior design. Second reason is in the interior, on eye level, it generates the widest width. And the most important reason, from the driver position, you are able to look by drive without on a straight view to the wheels, which is a big advantage for an SUV. Another detail which I'm really proud about are these lights. These are the daytime running light, and at the same time, it's an ambient light in the interior. And what we did is we replaced the headlights by 5 drones. the drones are able to fly ahead and illuminate the road. I think that's smart. Smart is the interior as well. Because of the monobox volume, it offers a huge interior. Then we came up with the idea, we want that the user or the driver is getting one with the nature. That's why we didn't integrate any display at all, because we want to focus the driver on the road. The car will be operated by your personal device, and because of there are no displays integrated, we got the possibility to drop the dashboard down like the belt line. That's why this car offers almost a 360-degree visibility. You have to experience this later after the press conference. All the materials inside are inspired by the nature. Ocean blue, wood, forest green, gray. That's the idea that you will become one with the nature. Another detail which I really like are the rear seats. The rear seats are designed as a hammock, and you can use them easily as well as a mobile outdoor furniture. I love this idea. Ladies and gentlemen, the feeling of freedom which you can experience with this car is, for me personally, the new premium. Thank you very much.